6 Steps to Awaken Your Third Eye and Unlock Psychic Abilities. Hello everyone. Most people struggle through life and find it difficult to see things in a clear light, and it can feel so hard. One reason for this is that we are all born with a closed third eye. The parental training and societal values we see tend to make us forget and ignore our third eye and forget ourself and mind. Having a closed third eye can be frustrating as you are always easy to be led astray and fall for anything, and also take some decisions that are not good and can sometimes cause us pain. But in today's video, you'll get to see step by step how you can open your third eye and start seeing things more. But as usual guys, I hope you can help this channel to gain more vibration by clicking that like button below, and do subscribe to this channel if you're new here. 1. Meditation. Meditation is beneficial. It is one of the first things to do as you engage in the journey of opening up yourself. It helps you get in tune with your universe. When meditating, allow your body to flow with energy, not you trying to position your body in a particular way. As you do this, your pineal gland will open more. Additionally, using crystals such as labradorite helps. 2. Eating vegetables, whole food, and fruits. Instead of buying processed foods, eat whole natural organic food. Eating whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and legumes makes you healthier and can digest quickly. A nutritional food intake and drinking lots of water aids digestion, promotes good energy flow, feelings, and thoughts. As a result, it will be easier to awaken your third eye. 3. Knowing your core beliefs. Core beliefs are ideals you unconsciously have about yourself and what you want in life. When you explore these, it opens your third eye to see things in a better way than ever, and it helps you with a productive mindset. Knowing your core beliefs equals knowing your true self, what you want in life, and how you temper yourself to achieve your goals. 4. Drinking of third eye herbs and tea. Teas and herbs have a way of rejuvenating and awakening your energy. It will also help awaken and enhance your third eye opening. While it sounds cheesy, it's true. Think about how if you have a healthy body and mind, then you'll be able to synchronize yourself with the universe and start seeing things you have never seen before. 5. Exploring ideas and beliefs by moving outside your comfort zone. Having a particular view and way of thinking things can make you narrow-minded. When you release yourselves to think alternative thoughts and see something other than one regular perspective, it helps become more intellectual and makes your mind open more. 6. Proclaiming good affirmations. Allowing yourself to think positively and let in good vibes, thereby stimulating your third eye opening. Say affirmations like, I trust my abilities. I will listen to my inner voice and wisdom. I will learn to unlearn and relearn. I will grow and become a better me. 7. Be conscious of your feelings and, if possible, record it. As gradually the third eye begins to open, be aware of the changes you feel within. It will help you grow more and be more open to the changes you will experience. Only by paying attention to the little changes within you, you will be able to progress one step at a time. So guys, what do you think of this video? Please don't hesitate to share your thoughts and experiences in the comment section below. Stay tuned on this channel and see you in the next video.